everybody, I'm DJ Remix.
There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed it forever, everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December. Somebody say your name. And I can't reach out to call you. I know I'll be one day. Everybody hurts sometimes. Everybody hurts someday. Everything gon' be alright. Only the constant say.
Oke ya, sudah sampai di ferinya dari Liang, Pengiriman Liang ke Waipirit. Sering jalan, teman jalan baru, tumbler, biar ngerayain sampah plastik kan. Oke, tonton terus on the way Biru, ibu kotanya Kabupaten SBB. Bunda, say hello.
To the ones that we got.
Kota Biru, pintu masuk Kota Biru, Kabupaten Seram bagian barat. Oke ya, setelah jalan dari jam 9 pagi tadi sampai sekarang ya, kira-kira udah jam 4. Kita udah sampai di Mako, Markas Komando Brimob Kabupaten Seram bagian barat. Lokasinya ada di Kota Biru. Kita nonton ya. Balik dari Waipirit, tempat feri, balik kanan, kita pulang lagi ke Ambon, back to rel.